In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks for church accounting. We'll walk through setup, daily tasks, and the key features that keep church finances clean and transparent. First, choose the right QuickBooks version for your needs. Many churches prefer QuickBooks Online for accessibility and easy collaboration, while others use the desktop edition with a nonprofit template. Whichever you choose, make sure it supports features you'll rely on like class tracking and online banking. Next, set up your QuickBooks account, create a new company file, and if the option exists, choose nonprofit as the industry. This will preload reports and accounts that fit a church context. While you're in setup, enable helpful features like online banking so you can securely connect your bank and speed up reconciliations. Now build your chart of accounts. Think of it as the backbone of your reporting. Under Assets, add checking and savings accounts for your operating cash. Under liabilities, include items like payroll liabilities for taxes and withholdings. For income, create tithes and offerings to capture donations. Under expenses, include categories such as salaries and wages. And in equity or net assets, set up unrestricted net assets to reflect funds without donor restrictions. To see ministry activity clearly, set up classes or locations. Classes are great for ministries, programs, or funds. Locations work well if you track multiple campuses or services. Don't forget to enable class tracking in settings so you can assign a class on every transaction. When recording income, enter tithes and donations using a sales receipt or a bank deposit depending on your workflow. Tag each gift with donor details and the appropriate fund or class to keep donor intent transparent. Record other income like fundraising events, rental income, or grants to the correct income accounts. If your church receives ongoing gifts, create recurring entries to automate monthly tithes. For expenses, use enter bills and pay bills to record and settle your obligations on time. Assign the right expense account and class so reports reflect where money is going. If you track pledges, use accounts receivable to record the pledge, then apply payments as they come in. This helps you monitor pledge balances and fulfillment. If you have staff, use QuickBooks Payroll to handle salaries, tax withholdings, and deductions accurately. Run reports regularly, especially the statement of financial position, also known as the balance sheet, to review cash, liabilities, and net assets. Finally, maintain compliance by tracking restricted versus unrestricted funds carefully and consider using separate classes for memorial funds or special campaigns to keep everything clear.